Kids, how'd you like the food? Do you like the food?
Yes!
What are you eating right now?
Spaghetti.
Ano? Anong tawag dyan?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti and what? What else do you have? Huh? What? You have? Sandwich. Do you like it? Sarap? Masarap ba? Masarap?
Opo.
Okay, sagot naman lahat.
Opo.
Okay. Sabihin nyo, thank you kayo dun sa nagbigay ng food, si Mr. Vartan. Say, thank you, Mr. Vartan.
Pwede. 1, 2, 3, sabay-sabay.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Mr. Barton.
Yes. Oh, may good news si Mr. Vartan. Christmas. May good news. This coming Christmas, magpapadala si Mr. Vartan ng mga computers. Woo! Say thank you again. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you!
Nawala yung Mr. Bartan. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Mr. Barton!
Very good. Tapos, anong organization natin? Exotifit for Humanity. 1, 2, 3.
Exotic for humanity!
Very good. O, sino uli ako?
Maria Amor!
Oh. Very good, very good. Magpapakabait kayo ha. Mag-aaral ng mabuti ha.